Chanda sir, Additional Chief Secretary, Labour and Employment Department, Government of Uttar Pradesh. Shri Ranjan Kumar sir, Divisional Commissioner, Lucknow. Sanjay Trian, Director Business Development and Sales, Government of Defence. Shri Naveen Tohar, Survey General of India. Sanjay Kumar, CEO, Geospatial Media and Communication. I welcome you all on this Mughal city of Lucknow, and I am delighted to host this conference with my technical partner, Geospatial Media, and their team, the Temple, Misri, Rotter, and Sagar. This is the first event which a remote sensing application is hosting in Lucknow on the geospatial subject with such a national level technical partners. I know these people, they are doing excellent job in the field of geospatial technology. I am associated with the Temple, Hexagon, Rotor, and Isri long back. Their software, their hardware are very much useful in our department and the geospatial community. Again, I welcome all the delegates, those who are present in this conference hall, and those who are going to join us in the technical meets in the afternoon session also. They are all welcome to this conference. I welcome my colleagues in the remote sensing department, and I request them to take advantage of this technology which is going to be presented in the coming hours. Once again, I welcome all my colleagues and delegates and their dignitaries on the city of Lucknow. Now I will give you a small presentation which is based on the satellite technology. What is the satellite technology and how the remote sensing and the departments and the technology, what is the gap between these two departments? See, one side our government departments are there. Their demands are very high. They want this thing to be done in this manner. At the other side is our technical partners. The software and hardware industries are with us. And we are bridging a gap between these two, user department and the application department. My presentation is basically based on the technology which we are using in the center, the output from the center, and the future of the geospatial technology. Some of the features which I like to mention in front of you is based on the work done in our department. First of all, we have just a brief to you. We have around 11 divisions working in our center. They are associated with all the government departments of Uttar Pradesh, almost all the departments. We are working whether it's the soil department, whether the agriculture department, forest department. We have the experienced scientists with us, those who are working with the department, and they are associated with taking all the work which is requested by the various government departments. Now we have the manpower of 22 scientists and the technical staff of 16. And we are running around 50 projects with the outsourcing manpower of 50. This is just a brief to my department where we are associated with the various agencies. Now, what is the geospatial new dimensions? Why I am talking today in the first slide, what is the need of today of the government department? So I will request my technical partners to give me answer to this department before we move on. There is a lot of requests coming from the government department for the online monitoring of the products. That means they need immediate monitoring of the products. Whether it is the monitoring of projects of Manrega schemes, with the monitoring of the geospatial infrastructure mapping or express highways which are constructing nowadays, they want the real-time monitoring of the project. Whether satellite community, satellite data is really helpful to them or not, I know that thing. So what is the limitations of the satellite data and how we can monitor in the real-time manner. But I know that ISRO is going to launch a geostationary high-beam satellite system in this year or next year, where we are capable to at least monitor some of the projects online in aerial survey. This is a major requirement from the government department. Nowadays, the days are over when we can wait for the satellite data to pass over the projects. Sensor-based monitoring. There are a lot of sensors to be installed in the certain projects, and immediately data should come, whether the groundwater data sets, whether it's a crop moisture data sets. That requirement is going on for the sensor-based monitoring system, and the data discussion is coming from the government department. So this answers has to be given by our technical teams also. Then comes the where mobile base is not access. Comes the big data analysis, large enterprises software solutions, because we are working on a desktop or a standalone system of software, which is not that much that is useful for the single person only, but we need a large enterprise software solutions. We need a three-dimensional solutions. The remote sensing is also working in the field of three-dimensional. We have the mobile AR system, we have the terrestrial AR system. We are in the process of purchasing the drone and everything. So this is the 3D business is coming very far. I have a request for the 10 centimeter contours on the level of some 100 hectare land, which is and also the cost is involved. I know the technology is there, but the cost-effective technology we need to map and develop a 10 centimeter contours on the 10 hectare land. Then comes the high-speed wave-based monitoring systems. That is required nowadays. I have some discussion with SRO and other people. They have told me that they are in the process of launching the geospatial satellite system in the 2021, where we have some 56-meter resolution camera on that, which can monitor at least 1 kilometer road infrastructure in the real-time basis. Launch of high-resolution microwave multiplier satellites in the way the ISRO is going to launch in this year and next year. Satellite-based GPS system is already placed in the orbit. We need not to go for a basic station survey. If large areas are there, we can make use of the satellite-based GPS system. We have done for 10 villages in the Barabanki district also. Then comes the DM, DDM, GCM generation by the dedicated satellite system. Yeah, it is available, but UP is not at all. Now the question goes to government. The technology is available for the generation of the DDM or DSM of 10 centimeter. It is available, but so far the government should take the initiative to generate, to fund this type of project that can have a 10 centimeter control the entire Uttar Pradesh. Then comes the near real-time monitoring of the project, where evidently we have seen that this thermal tragedy, where the planet and satellites have been used for getting the satellite images of what happened actually in the thermal tragedy and what avalanches study what they have done. Now this type of type of series satellites is very much in demand in monitoring the projects, especially for the Manrega and especially for the Astro Survey monitoring and other. Lot of government is doing a lot of work in the block level, village level, panchayat level, and plot level also. So, but the monitoring system is still based on the paper format. Then comes the smart monitoring to infrastructure city planning. Plot level system, that is the requirement of today. We need a monitoring system where precision monitoring, plot level monitoring is required. What is going on the plot? Whether this plot is useful for a agriculture purpose, for the western purpose, for industrial purpose, that is the need of today, and we need the industries to look after that. What is the precision level required? This is a requirement of the government. So, the remote sensing of the center is bridging the gap between technology and the applications. I will give you some examples that Mr. Tomar will present of the new data policy. We have just announced here that remote sensing operation center has already issued an order to open all the data sets to all the government department as per the policy. So anybody who is available in the government department can take the data available in our department. The limitations is only that 1 meter horizontal and 3 meter vertical, which is a part of the circular. And just I transferred this data into the cadastral means that any data, any information, any map available on the cadastral level is free. So this is just now on 15th of February, this policy has come from the government of India, and it is implemented in our department also. we are facing in UP, this is, it goes to the government department where if you just see the cadastral boundaries and the boundary which is available on the the cadastral boundaries are available and the plot level boundaries are available, village level. You just see that we have used the 10 years back the data which is available with the census department, and this data was useful. The boundary was given like this. This boundary was given like this. Sorry, this is the village boundary is there like this, and this is the plot level boundary and of the village. So far, we have used only the village boundary which is available on 200 scale. We do not have a village boundary of the order of cadastral level boundaries. We have the cadastral maps with us. We have them, but they are not geo-referenced and they are not properly from the GPS coordinate. They are not geo-referenced. We cannot use the village boundary developed or generated from the village plot level studies. So this is the major problem in Uttar Pradesh where we have to look after. We have to see that this will be made available to all the government departments. The first requirement is there, the plot level boundary, village boundary, and then goes to the panchayat boundary, then block boundary, and then district boundary should develop from this plot level boundary. Because now we are working everything on the plot. Sorry. I'm giving some examples nowadays. This is the footprint layer of the Indrapuram area of Ghaziabad, where we have done each and every building and every small tiny structure were mapped from the satellite data and the field survey. And this is the map. Nowadays, this is a requirement of today's city, smart city Lucknow, where we have to map a digital map of the city area. So this way we are working for cities wise, but we got the project from the Ghaziabad, where we have done the land use maps of the Indrapuram Ghaziabad city, which done, and finally we have generated a 3D model. Based on the software model, we generated a 3D map of the particular city, particularly Indrapuram area, just one, but we are doing for the entire city area of the Ghaziabad. Now, there is one very important thing is that now we are generating under construction the already stage this work, which is called the land information system. What is the land information system? Where we should have all the data on the plot level. This you say we are generating this type of system where each plot should have a different type of whether the plot belongs to PWD, the plot belongs to irrigation department, what is the disputed plots. That data is taken from the district magistrate and plotted on the and linked with the spatial technology. So we are working on this system and we are hopeful the UP government, once we present to the government department and the government department, this is very useful for the Uttar Pradesh. Next come to the, we did some work on the negative of outside, we have mapped certain villages structures and which is made illegally or maybe not conveyed to the government department, the under construction area of the outside of the Lucknow area, which can be mapped on the satellite data. Similarly, the outside unauthorized colonies are there also mapped on the satellite area, and this work was done for the entire UP area where the illegal constructions was going on. So that remote sensing helped to the government department for this type of work. And this is the master plan under Amrit Guidelines Yojana, where we are generating a different type of structure, different type of land use pattern within the city limit areas. So this is the work normally we do for entire UP and entire districts areas. And now what we are doing is that for the PW department, we have generated a mobile app system, and I tell you, our commissioner is the mentor of this project, whether this land information system and whether the PW, where he was the secretary PW, has shown a lot of interest, and this work is the brainchild of our commissioner. So this is the PW department. What we did is we simply generated a mobile app linked with the server in our system, in office, and the data is collected by the PW engineers on the field and is coming back to our system. So nowadays, UP is such a big state. All the road network, there is no digital network is available so far in this square. So what we are doing, we are generating a digital network, road network of the society. We are also in touch with the irrigation department for the canal network map. We are also in touch with the other department now for the geotagging of the buildings and everything. And this is coming to our department, and we can generate a total digital model of Lucknow or Uttar Pradesh on which is very much useful for digital network. So this is the road network map, and now I tell you, we have the mobile radar system, and this is the 3D scanner. This mobile radar system, so far we have placed the vehicle outside the premises within tea hours and during lunch hour. You can see that we have already brought this vehicle to this place, and this is the radars of the vehicle which are having, and we have done a lot of work for the widening of the road. This is the only government department in India which is having the mobile radar system and the terrestrial radar system, and we are effectively using the UP and outside of UP. This now, last month we have used the 8484 Patrama in Ayodhya. Request has come to Municipal Commissioner Ayodhya, and we did work for the data is under process. This is a system where we are using. You can see there is a ladybug camera on the top of that. This is connected to the 6 cameras moving at a time, and the next one is the satellite system. We connect to the satellite, and this is the 2 scanners are there. These 2 scanners will take the picture of the on the ground, and we generate a 3D model of this area. This is just like a radar scanner with us, and this is the data available with us. Now we have the terrestrial radar system. We are going to place the terrestrial system in the hall only. The instrument is coming, and I request my colleagues to bring the instrument in the hall. Now this is the we have generated a Kasi Vishnath temple. The Commissioner Varanasi has requested us to do a mapping of the Kasi Vishnath temple with this scanner. We did the survey, and you just see the maps are available nowadays, and the entire 3D view, 3D pictures I will show you just after this presentation. This is the Kasi Vishnath temple of Varanasi, where we did the laser scanning map. So this is a very, very useful technology. We did a lot of work, and this can be used for the many places of Uttar Pradesh. And I request the government partners to look after that. And this is the third system which we are having is the steamer and bathymetry. We should have a bathymetry instrument with us. This is the only government department in India which is having a bathymetry instrument which is used underwater survey. And which I believe, you believe or not, we have been requested by the NHP government of India and also the government to do the reservoir survey of their states. This instrument uses the sonar waves and generates the 3D model of the placement, underwater survey. And this is the bathymetry survey of the Upper Ganga Canal. And this Upper Ganga Canal is just see that there are 2 big holes were found in the canal system, which is also due to illegal mining. And we have reported to the concerned engineering chief at that time, and it was repaired. The canal was about to break, and it is an 80-meter wide canal, and the pit was 14-meter deep. So that was detected by the bathymetry survey, and a lot of water was just going inside the ground, and that was a scarcity of water at the tail end. So this was done, and the improvement was there. The water is now flowing not in a normal course. This is the bathymetry instrument. The underwater pits are there. I have the videos. Then the Matadela reservoir, and this is the underwater 3-dimensional topography of that, which can be useful for the desiltation of the reservoirs and desiltation of the canal system in Uttar Pradesh. We are also doing the flood mapping in Uttar Pradesh. Regularly, last 15 years data is available with us, and we generate the flood mapping maps through the Relief Commissioner's office, and the district magistrate directly sending this data within 24 hours. And this last year data we have seen that, and we have reported that 13,000 villages were affected so far. 14,000 villages were affected by flood last year, 2020. I have some suggestions to the government people of that we can make this UP flood free, or we in the flood control measures where we can use this data. This is the Gorakhpur area, and this river is coming from the Nepal, which is not a perennial river, or which getting affected, the entire area is getting affected by the backflow of the Rapti water, and this is getting affected with the flood. Now we can make some sub-channel, or we can reduce this mitigation, we can reduce the flood affected areas by just making a canal or making some system in this area. Similarly, we can construct a barrage in Chamba River to control the flood in Uttar Pradesh by in Varanasi and Gazipur and Dalia district, which is not the flood of Ganga River, it is the flood of Chamba River. Recently, we got a project from the Ganga Expressway Authority. The chief engineer asked us to validate the bridge to be constructed on the Ganga Expressway, which is a very current project. You must be knowing. We did that work, and we have suggested to increase the length of the span of the bridge by 400 meters, because the river Ganga River was changing in Amroha and Ghaziabad area. It was changing. The old course was also to be checked by increasing the length of the bridge. Similarly, when a pillar was not traceable in the Ghagara River constructed before the COVID, that was searched by the microwave data, and it was reported back to the bridge corporation that this is on the site of the bridge which they have completed, because the Ghagara River has changed its course. Similarly, we are doing a lot of work for the forest department also. We know that forest is having a lot of forest, but the tree outside the forest, how much trees are there outside? We have done the survey, and this is the Varanasi, part of Varanasi Forest Division, which has been reported by our team that the forest is increasing, not in the forest area, but outside the forest area. So this is a very, very important area. We got a very big project from the forest department to do the entire work for the entire UP, and this is a very, very useful work. Similarly, we have the I think this slide is not very good, but just we have came to know the Kharif and Rabi crop, we are increasing in pattern. See, government is always thinking what is going on, whether the Rabi crop is increasing the state or not. But in the Lower Ganga Canal, they have done around 70,000 hectares. We have seen that it has increased in the last 2 years. It is a continuous cropling area, is increasing because of the measures taken by the government and improvement of the canal system, salinity and all these things. That means the state is moving in the right direction. We have generated a portal, web portal services of the entire department working in our state, and this is our 83 departments have given their work. They are shown, it's coming on one common platform. All the work which is done by the 83 department is being shown on the Geoportal scenario. Geoportal, which is hosted on the NEJD Government of India. The server is there in the NEJD, and our technical partners are there by Civic, and they did this work with the help of the planning department. This is all about technology, applications, and all issues. Now I will request